Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the next level of my project, which we are using to design GUI design, graphical design for each classes. We are defining one form which represent each classes like this. Like we are getting the variables like ID and student ID, attendance as course ID, and then we are running the form. And in the backend, the source, we don't do anything in here. We just design it in here. We just design it in here with the palette form. What we can do after we are running each class, first of all, for if I want to check attendance class, if like we have backup, restore and exit from the system, and if we are like attendance, if we are going to the attendance, I already made them all before, but like if we add one attendance ID with attendance and each date, if I add, it will be added successfully to the table, and if I delete, it will be deleted from the table. And if I clear it, will clear. It's the same with each classes. We are getting to the each class information, and we are adding, deleting, and for editing, we have add a button but not edit button because they're both doing the same. For example, the course ID in here is 1, and the course and the course code is 1 ITech215. If I modify this, like for example, if I want to modify department ID to 2 instead of 1, and then if I add it, sorry, I have to fill the rest. If I write them down, I take 215 and class name multi whatever. If I add it, it will just be edited from the table. And what we will do is that if whatever we are doing, if we want to get backup after that we are modifying each classes, we can get first of all restore from whatever we did. So after restoring, you will see that each class will be restored successfully. For example, what we did for it was for the department. No, it was for, sorry, the course. It will back to what it was before, if multiply. And if we want to back up, after that, whatever we do, we're backing up each class. It will remain the same. We don't, if we delete it, it will be all the same, like it will not deleted from the system. And then we are exiting the system like this. This is all we have for all classes. First of all, if we go through we have an attendance date. If you see, the date is a library that we just fetched to the system because it was not in here. The date here, the date pick. So we need this for getting the date for each classes, and we did this. And then now we can clear, add, and delete each classes, as you can see. And let's try one from one more class, like for example for student class, which is like the most important one because it has birthday and everything. If we go through the run, it goes to the system. If we go to student, and then we can modify, we can edit, we can even change the gender in here and the birthday and everything like this. We added one more empty actually. Yes. Okay, nationality. And if we add, it will be added successfully, and then if you want to delete, it will be deleted. That's all. Thank you for listening to my project. and I hope you enjoyed it.